So what we're going to do is we're going to scan one spot on this piece. Teach well. The first scanner to open. A teaching spot found. First of all, the first match. It's a safe spot. You can set a safety point arbitrarily by yourself. Next, second, match P0. This is the starting point of a scan. Then P1, P2, which is the midpoint of one of its processes. Then P3 is one of its scan endpoints. Then these 3 points. How do you need to locate it? First, the first PO point. This is the tube you got. One side of the side. As a starting point for its scanning, this is one of its PO points. Next is point P1. At point P1, it will move forward normally and scan one of his. The position of the joint of the two pipes. And here's his P. Next to one of his P2 points. Point P2 is to perform an altitude rotation. Rotate to this, a joint position of another pipe diameter. Next is one of his endpoints P3. Okay, so his for scan points. That's it, we're done. So how should this point be modified? It is a P variable. He has no way to modify it directly in the program. A variable that needs to be found at this time. Then find the P variable. Then click on the designated page. Enter a variable value. It starts with P0. Enter 0 here. Click Enter. Okay. At this time, it will reach the P node. Then this time, move the robot to in a position that requires teaching. Then click Modify. Click Enter again. Okay, so this time, he will teach the current point to be P0. The same is true for points P1 to P3 at the back.